Hey guys, what's up? We got something in that is the first time that it's ever come out. It's called Matchbox Convoy. It's a 6-piece set case, and it's got some interesting stickers on it here. Here it is. It's got a Royal Dutch sticker. I'm not sure what that means. I can't remember the last time we had a case like that. But you just never know what you're going to see. I'm going to show it to you real quick. This is Matchbox Convoy, hot off the truck unboxing. Do a real quick top-down view. Now these card backs are super big, and there's a model in here that you guys have been asking for the whole time. And there's 6 cars in this, and 2 of them are double packed. So I'm going to show you the double packs first. The first double pack right here is the super cool SKYJACKER LONESTAR CAB box trailer and 72 FORD BRONCO. And this Convoy series is just super cool. You know, they did these trucks maybe 30 years ago, a similar type set, but we're just gonna take a quick look at this thing. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. But that is a sweet trailer. It's got the SKYJACKER suspensions on it. Very cool. Okay, so that one's 2 per case. The next one that's 2 per case check that out. It's the DRAGON SLAYER PETROL. This is the Matchbox CABOVER and tanker with the Badlander on it. The logo is very cool. It's a cool CABOVER. Genuine DRAGON SLAYER Petrol. Okay. That one's 2 per case as well. The next one is the Ford Cargo logger bed and Dirtsmasher. And you can see there they've got logs in there bundled up on the truck bed. It's very cool. And then the Dirtsmasher's got like a metallic green color to it. And then last, but certainly not least, is the one that we've been getting all the questions about. When is this coming out? When is this coming out? That's the end of the box right there. Check it out. It is the Tesla semi and box truck with the Tesla Model S. I mean, that's just a sick Tesla. It's one of the best, in my opinion, in our opinion, it's one of the best Teslas they've ever done. Very cool Tesla truck and Convoy. So there you go. There was the quick case opening of the Convoy. Here's a top-down view of it. That's a super cool set, guys. I love it. Hope you guys are having a great January. We'll see you soon. This is Wheel Collectors, hot off the truck. Thanks for joining us.